Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the beauty industry's best products so you can make informed choices for your routine. Today, we're talking about a conditioner that promises to do it all, strengthening, repairing, and adding a gorgeous shine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the Unite Hair You Luxury Conditioner, a product designed for all hair types. This conditioner is a liquid formula that caters to all hair types, making it versatile and easy to incorporate into most hair care routines. The most exciting part? It's packed with thermal and UV protection to shield your hair from environmental stressors. This could be a game changer for those of us who style our hair regularly or live in areas with harsh sun exposure. Plus, it's cruelty-free, which is a big win for those who prioritize ethical beauty. When I first tested the Unite You Luxury Conditioner, I was immediately drawn to its luxurious, creamy texture. It felt rich but not heavy on my hair, which is a huge plus when you have fine hair like mine. I applied it after shampooing, and the application was smooth, no tugging or pulling needed. As I massaged it through my strands, I noticed how it quickly coated my hair without feeling greasy. After rinsing, I could feel the difference. My hair was noticeably softer, and there was a subtle shine to it that wasn't overdone, just healthy looking. But here's the real test, how it held up throughout the day. I styled my hair as usual, and it didn't weigh it down, nor did it make it feel flat or lifeless. The protection from heat tools was a welcome bonus, as my hair didn't feel dry or damaged after using my blow dryer and straightener. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's incredibly moisturizing without being too heavy. It detangles easily, and it provides some much-needed shine without making your hair greasy. The UV and thermal protection are also standout features, especially if you're regularly exposed to styling tools or the sun. On the flip side, the con I noticed was that it's not the most affordable conditioner on the market, and for some, that might be a deal breaker. But considering the added protection it offers and how well it works for my hair type, I think it's worth the price for those looking for a high-quality product. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's on the higher end, but the performance justifies it. You're getting a product that not only improves your hair's texture, but also helps protect it in ways that many conditioners don't. The 8.5 fel-out size lasts a decent amount of time, especially considering how little you need to use with each application. If you're on a budget, there are certainly other conditioners out there that provide moisture and shine, but they won't necessarily offer the same level of protection from UV and heat damage. If you don't mind spending a little extra, Unite Hair You Luxury Conditioner is definitely a treat for your hair. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and professional, easy to squeeze out without creating a mess. There's nothing flimsy about this product, and the formula itself feels luxurious without being overly heavy. It's also easy to incorporate into your routine, which is a big plus for anyone looking for a no-fuss, high-performance product. Now let's pause for a quick reminder. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you can get more honest reviews like this one. Your support really helps us continue bringing you detailed, unbiased reviews. And if you're ready to try the Unite You Luxury Conditioner, the link is in the comments for you. When it comes to customer service, I didn't personally interact with the brand's support team, but Unite Hair is known for having a great reputation when it comes to handling customer inquiries. So if you ever have any issues, you can rest assured that they'll take care of it. As for updates, there haven't been any major updates or reformulations to this product that I'm aware of. It seems to be standing strong as a reliable option in the hair care world. In terms of alternatives, if the price of this conditioner is a bit too steep for your budget, there are plenty of other good options for moisture and shine. Brands like OGX or Shea Moisture offer similarly moisturizing formulas at a lower price point, but they may lack some of the added benefits like UV and heat protection. To wrap up, Unite Hair You Luxury Conditioner is a strong contender in the luxury conditioner space. It delivers on its promises of moisture, shine, and protection from heat and UV damage. If you're willing to invest a bit more for those added benefits, this is a solid option for all hair types. Thank you so much for tuning into Beautyistic today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Your feedback helps everyone find what works best for them. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.